Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the end caps that go at the end of these slides from this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. On this GE dishwasher, the left and right rack slides are each secured by a rear end cap. These end caps keep the slides from coming off the tub rollers when you pull the rack forward. Over time, the end caps can become loose, damaged, or go missing, which can cause the slide to fall off of the rollers and the rack to come off the track. Although the end caps are sold separately, a replacement end cap will fit on either the left or right rack slide. Replacing a broken or missing end cap restores the smooth and secure operation of the top rack. If you need to purchase a replacement end cap for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. No tools are needed for this repair. To access and replace the end cap, open the dishwasher door and slide the top rack all the way out. At the end of the slides that support the top rack, you'll see an upward turn hook that keeps the rack from sliding off the end. Lift the rack slightly to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so the rear rollers reach the end of the slides. Lift the rack out and set it aside. Next, pull the slide that you're working on all the way forward. Locate the rear end cap. To remove it, press the locking tab with your finger towards the inside of the tub. While holding the tab, gently pull the end cap off the slide. Discard the old end cap. If you need a replacement end cap, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure that you search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install your new end cap, align it with the end of the slide with the locking tab facing to the inside of the dishwasher tub. Test the end cap by pulling the slide towards you. The end cap should stay locked on and prevent the slide from coming off the tub rollers. Now reinstall the top rack. Pull both slides all the way out. Some models of dishwasher have two sets of 3 wheels on each side of the top rack, allowing you to adjust the rack height for extra clearance either above or below. Choose your preferred height setting. Align both hook end caps with the rear rollers on the rack, then slide the rack back and align the front rollers. Slide the top rack in and out to be sure that it glides smoothly. Close the dishwasher door and your appliance is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.